welcome to winemastery.co.uk. My name's John Lightfoot. This is
John Murphy.
We're here to tell you about wine, hopefully help you find the wine, if not the wines that you absolutely love. That glass, that special glass that you'll find that you'll look forward to when you get home or on a special occasion, will help you feel just in the right mood, will accentuate your pleasure, and hopefully we're going to help you find that wine. In this episode, however...
Actually, I quite like that one. Go on.
In this episode, however, we're actually doing something slightly different. We're looking at Seedlip. Well, I'm not sure you call them liqueur aperitifs.
Aperitifs, yeah.
So they're marketing. Obviously, it's quite a problem for people that are non-drinkers and are going out to parties. Especially, we're filming this in November with Christmas coming up. You know, so there's party season and they're not able to drink and they're getting bored with Coca-Cola, or going to a party and being offered kind of aperitif before we have dinner and well, what can I have? So they've actually produced 3 aperitifs, and we're going to try them and see what we think. Now, you can have these neat, which we'll try first. They also recommend you to have them with some sparkling water or with some tonic. So we're trying the 3 varieties and see how they come out. So the first one we've got, I believe we're going for, is the
Dry. Yeah.
Dry. So that's not 3 of them in German, is it?
No, it's not, but I like you thinking. No, we've got dry, and then we have dry, aromatic and bitter.
That's right.
Or whichever way we decide. We will start with the dry.
Bitter being pleased in German.
Bitter, danke. Right, so let's have a go at the dry then.
Okay, let's have a go at the dry. Should we have a quick little smell? A little...
Now, what I'll say is I fully appreciate... Oh, we're looking at...
Colour?
Yeah, okay, we're looking at...
I would describe, it's almost like a limey yellow, would you say?
Pale straw.
Pale straw, okay.
But I know what you mean with the limey yellow. I do feel that the pain of... because obviously, I mean, I tried not so long ago, I'll tell you, sorry, not so long ago, I did a little bit of a non-drinking thing. I thought, I'll give it a go. I went in for the 100 days.
Oh, you did, I remember.
Yeah, I managed 32.
Well, that's still good.
Oh, it's good, yeah, but not that good, is it? But that doesn't matter. But what I find is a lot of socialising does revolve around drinking.
Yeah.
You do find that. It's a fact. And what I found is, obviously... When I was going out and people were drinking, I thought, right, what can I have as a soft drink, or not a soft drink, a non-alcoholic drink? And it really was a struggle. You know, there's only so much, Coca-Cola, which is horrible, and only so much water you can drink before you're just getting bored and you just run to the toilet all the time. And not many people do tomato juice anymore. So... I'm interested to see what, because after the is it Seedlip or Seedlip? Yeah, that was an interesting little drink. So I'd be very interested to see how we get on with this one.
Okay. Now that reminds me of something, but
bananas. It smells like bananas. It smells like. What are they? I can't remember exactly what's in there, but it has for me a.
I know it's got dry tea extracts of dry tea, but.
Okay.
Chamomile as well.
Chamomile. I'm not getting chamomile, but...
It's certainly herby smell to it, isn't there?
Definitely, yeah. Very, spot on. It's herbaceous, I'll give you that. It's an interesting smell.
It's very different.
Okay. Can we have a go straight on?
Let's have a go.
Yeah, please.
Sweeter than I thought it was going to be from the smell. Quite refreshing to the mouth. It has got, to say it's dry, it's slightly bitter.
It is. I tell you, when you just said there about the black tea,
yeah,
I understand where the black tea is coming. The black tea is on the flavour.
Right.
It's almost the tannins. You know, the tannins you get in wine. The tannins, not from grape skin, but from tea. That is, you get that dryness you get on your tongue there.
To say it's not got any alcohol, the length is reasonable.
Yeah.
The taste is still there. It's dying quite quickly, but to be fair, it's not got the alcohol to keep it there. So
no, but that is it's very unique. I'll say it's unique because it's something I've never really after the Seedlip. I've never tasted anything.
I wonder if this is actually like a Marmite drink. By that I mean you're either going to like it or you're not.
I think if you're into wine or into alcohol and you are caught out where you are the driver, designated driver, and you don't want the Coca-Cola or whatever, I actually think that is good in that respect.
Yeah.
Because there's complexity, and you're actually thinking about it. You're having a little taste, thinking, "What is that?
What is that? Yeah.
And that different flavours that come on your tongue and the after flavour. So, in fairness, I mean, it's alien territory for me, purely because it's not often that I don't drink. But I think what they've done for a non-alcoholic drink is they've done very well.
Yeah.
If I as an example, if I was going out and I was not drinking, heaven forbid, I would choose that over the Coca-Cola and the water. I'd even choose that over tomato juice.
Would you really?
I would, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's because you can't put vodka in it.
Yeah, but it's just got something. There's something there.
Okay, well, should we try it with some water and then afterwards some tonic water and see what happens to the bouquet?
Let's give it a go.
Okay, see you in a sec.
Chin chin.
Okay, so we've added some tonic.
And ice.
And ice.
As recommended.
As recommended, yeah. Okay. So, it smells slightly sweeter. Because it is full fat tonic, isn't it?
It is, yeah. But it's still got that banana smell. I mean, I'm sure it's more complex than that, but...
yeah, that's what it's linking in your brain with.
Yeah. And it's difficult to then get it out a bit. Let's have a little go see how that tonic has affected. What are you thinking?
Now you said banana, I cannot get past banana.
Yeah, it's...
Now I can. Now the taste is sort of mellowing out.
Okay.
Sebaceous.
I think it's got... it's become softer. As in... that the tea tannins are no longer there, but I can still taste that what they're talking about in the black tea. That is still there. It's fresher.
I'll tell you what. One thing that's nice about this. I was thinking, I'm always very conscious. I don't want to be drinking too much, so I'm a little bit tipsy on camera. And I'm thinking, I better not have another taste. And then, I can
have a good slug of it. Well, that's what this is for, isn't it? I mean, again, it's not...
Also, I think it's one of those that the more you drink it, actually, it becomes a little bit like an acquired taste.
Yeah.
So the more you drink it, actually, the more you get used to it. And because first it's so different that you're sort of going, this doesn't quite compute because it's not like anything I really normally drink. But actually, once you get used to it and you know what you're expecting, you start to enjoy a little bit more.
And then you start to also try and delve in there and pick things.
Yeah.
At first, it's a bit different. Nothing that... I mean, usually we are drinking alcohol, so it's an unusual one for us, and one I think we're struggling to really put into a category.
Yeah. I think the flavours are so unique that it's not like you can come up with your normal sort of strawberry or your peach, your stone fruit or...
No, that is it. And what they've put in there and the description is... No, it kind of does what it says on the tin, and... As I said in the first one, I mean, I don't know if with the tonic, because a lot of the times when we're drinking, I'm not comparing it, not for a moment, to gin and neat gin and then gin and tonic, but I don't know how I'd go with it. I think I prefer it with the tonic in that respect, because it freshens it up, takes a little bit more of the intensity of flavour away, so it makes it a little bit more subtle, so you're looking and you're chasing a little bit more.
It also makes it slightly rounder, I think.
It sort of softens.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, should we just try it with water next and see how it comes along with that?
Let's give it a go, John.
Okay.
Ginger.
Okay, so we've added some soda water to this.
Yep.
Colour is a lot different, really. Obviously, from tonic, it looks like a spritzer, actually.
It's again super pale now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a little.
It seems to weaken the nose quite a lot, which is strange. I would have expected the tonic to more change.
You'd expected the tonic to have overtaken that, but perhaps it enhanced it. But that's just... I mean, it's still there. That, again, banana, I can't get over that.
Yeah, but very faintly compared to...
Well, it's just a hint, isn't it?
Just a hint.
Just a hint. Right, let's have a little go.
Okay. Well, it literally has watered it down. Do you know what I mean? Literally, that's now actually in terms of if you were wanting a long drink, you know, we're back on the lawn in the summer and you wanted a really refreshing long drink that you could, you know, maybe sort of drink quite quickly because you're thirsty, that would be better, I believe, than the tonic version.
Okay. I believe that for me personally, me, the tonic has still held a little bit of complexity. There was something going on there.
Yeah.
Maybe it was the tonic that added to the aperitif, as opposed to the way around. But this for me, the tonic water for me has just taken everything away from it. That for me,
The soda water.
Soda water. Sorry. Yeah. It's just very, very, very subtle. Very subtle. Too subtle for my liking.
Right.
You know, without...
So what mixture was it? 50-50?
Oh, yeah, 50-50.
Okay.
And also, we were talking... When we had it neat, we could pick out we were talking the black tea and all the little herbaceous flavours. Even with the tonic, when the tonic came out, we could pick bits and pieces out there. But with that soda, for me, it's lost... For me, it's lost it a bit.
Okay.
I can see that hint, but it is just a hint. And I mean, is this £19.99? Is that am I right? Yeah,
£19.99. Yeah.
And it's 50 cl as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not 100%, not a full bottle.
Yeah.
Well, you know what we do in these videos. It's a very subjective thing. For me, it's a no.
No.
No. I even as drinking it neat and perhaps with the tonic as if I was doing the non-drinking thing and I was out with drinking, but I'd have it there. But with soda, it's just not done anything for me.
For you?
No, not
Fair
a thing.
enough.
Not a thing.
Fair enough. I'd say for me, I think it'd be all right as a sort of, you know, say a very refreshing summer and when it's hot and you just want a little bit more volume to guzzle down because you're thirsty. So no. Okay.
It would quench your thirst.
It'd quench your thirst. And as we always say, you know, just because we like it or we don't like it doesn't mean to say you're going to have the same view. All we can do is say it as we taste it. So, okay, well, we're trying the next one, which we're going to go for Aromatic. Aromatic?
I think we're going for bitter, then
bitter,
aromatic.
and then aromatic.
Yep.
Okay, we'll do that then.
See you then.
See you then.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.